Subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for latest update. Hello friends, welcome back to Fauzi Alfaz. In this video, we will discuss 10th May most important exam related one-liner current affair. So without wasting any time, let's begin. Northeast Democratic Alliance convener Himanta Biswa Sarma was named as the next Chief Minister of Assam. The outgoing Chief Minister of Assam, Sarbananda Sonowal, tendered his resignation to the Governor of the state, Jagdish Chandra Mukhi, at Raj Bhavan. SW Steel and JFE Steel Corporation have signed a memorandum of understanding to conduct a feasibility study to establish a grain-oriented electrical steel sheet manufacturing and sales joint venture company in India. US President Joe Biden issued an executive order to set up the Climate Change Support Office within the Department of State. Gujarat unit of Ayurveda Vyaspeeth has launched an Ayurvedic Doctors on Call service to serve the COVID patients in the state. Under the service, 117 Ayurvedic doctors will give free Ayurvedic consultations to the COVID patient on phone calls. Gujarat CM Vijay Ramnikalal Rupani, Governor Acharya Devvrat. UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres recently honored Indian UN peacekeeping officer Yuvraj Singh, who was martyred in the line of duty in 2020 during the UN Annual Memorial Service 2021. American technology giant IBM has unveiled the world's first 2nm process chip, providing a proof of concept for what chips running smartphones, autonomous cars and more will look like in future. The United Nations Environment Programme has extended Dia Mirza's term as its National Goodwill Ambassador for another 2 years till the end of 2022. Dia is also United Nations Sustainability Development Goals advocates. United Nations Environment Programmes Formation 5th June 1972. Headquarters Nairobi, Kenya. Parent Organization United Nations. In Jammu and Kashmir, in order to provide further inputs to business and ensure ease of doing business, single window portal has been set up and online clearances introduced. Lieutenant Governor of Jammu and Kashmir Manoj Sinha. The Drugs Controller General of India has granted permission of emergency use of anti-COVID-19 therapeutic applications of the drug to deoxy D-glucose developed by Institute of Nuclear Medical and Allied Science, a lab of Defense Research and Development Organization in collaboration with Dr. Reddy Laboratories, Hyderabad. Defense Research and Development Organization, founder 1958, headquarters New Delhi, Chairman G. Satish Reddy. The Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir, the District Disaster Management Authority Srinagar has launched a 24/7 dedicated helpline at COVID-19 War Control Room to provide real-time COVID-19 related facilities to the people. Delhi International Airport Limited has completed 1,000 movements of sustainable taxiing of aircraft at Delhi Airport with Taxiboat. Taxiboat is a semi-robotic hybrid special purpose vehicle. The Ministry of Labour and Employment has notified Section 142 of the Social Security Code 2020, which covers the applicability of Aadhaar. Union Minister for Labour and Employment Santosh Gangwar has clarified that the section under the Social Security Code has been notified only for collection of data of workers including migrant workers. Minister of Labour and Employment Minister Santosh Gangwar, headquarters Rafi Marg, New Delhi. The Asian Development Bank informed that the Asia and the Pacific region can emerge from the coronavirus disaster by focusing on 5 areas to achieve a prosperous, inclusive, resilient and sustainable future. Asian Development Bank President Matsungu Asakawa, formation 19 December 1966, headquarters Manila, Philippines. Ministry of Tourism launched the Dekho Apna Desh logo design contest of the My Government platform. The objective of the contest to have a logo for Dekho Apna Desh campaign coming out of creative ideas of the citizens of the country. So this is all about today's video. Please like and share this video and subscribe the channel. I will see you in the next video. Take care and Jai Hind. Subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for latest update.